Monitoring band team from RV College of Engineering. This is a project submitted for SAP. This is our team, which is the brain behind the project. Vivekanand from Telecommunication Engineering, Rakesh SS from Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mukul Seth from Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Siddharth Satish from Information Science and Engineering, Anand GM from Information and Science Engineering. So basically, what is heartbeat monitoring or heartbeat monitor? A device which monitors or measures the heart rate is considered as a heartbeat monitor. So this value will be later used for any other medical purposes. So why monitoring is required? So basically, more than 2 million people are at high risk of having heart attack. There are many cases where the patient won't be knowing that they are having heart issues. So our device is a solution for that. It's a low cost device which can be afforded by any person, which indicates any abnormality in the heart rate. So the current system includes stethoscope, which is inaccurate and user dependent. That is, it requires a doctor or a skilled person to analyze the heart rate. The electrocardiogram, which is more accurate than all the above, like stethoscope as well as our project, but the thing is it's too expensive and it's not user friendly. So what is our design? So we are using a sensor that is surface placeable sensor, which does not require any penetration through skin. So it's basically user friendly. This sensor will be having LED and a photodiode. The LED reflection of the LED light detects the pulse rate, which is converted to heart rate. So working is, pulse rate sensor will identify the pulse value and that will be sent to Arduino. The Arduino decodes the data and sends the data to Raspberry Pi. Then the Raspberry Pi analyzes, and it also will be connected to internet through Wi-Fi dongle. So it also uploads the data to HANA. If there is any abnormality, the Raspberry Pi places a call to the caretaker through GSM module and indicates the abnormality with respect to the person. This is our component view of our project. Let us have a look at working of the project. Here, as you can see, the system is basically connected for console verification of the data. Here the band is removed, so basically we cannot change the pulse rate, so that's why we have removed the band. So when the band is removed, the Raspberry Pi is placing a call to the caretaker. Then the caretaker receives the call and then he presses 1. So when he presses 1, then that is detected by ATMF decoder, which is identified by the Raspberry Pi. Then the Raspberry Pi is giving the audio output as patient address and it's placing a call to the ambulance. Here what we have used, here we have used two mobiles. The touchscreen larger mobile is basically used for caretaker. The another small mobile is used for ambulance. Here we can see the data updated to SAP HANA Cloud platform, whereas it has timestamps which is given from the server itself. Then it's updating the sensor value. So here we are sending whether the sensor pulse value is normal or abnormal. So with different timestamps we have given different, like normal pulse values and abnormal pulse values. That is basically displayed in the SAP HANA front end. So if we come to the advantage, as we are uploading it to the cloud, so it can be accessed from anywhere, and the project is cost effective. Like when its mass production is done, it we can get the device at 2K or 3K, so which is affordable by everyone. This device is a standalone, so that means no human requirement is there after once it's installed. Then we have designed a foolproof where if the caretaker doesn't respond to the call, then then the Raspberry Pi directly places a call to the ambulance. So future enhancements which we can update on this is, we can use other sensors like BP sensor, body temperature sensor, ECG sensor with the pulse sensor which we have already used. So this gives a broader look about the health condition of the patient. So if we are using high precise accurate sensor, then we can also use defibrillator for the patients who had heart attacks previously, so that if no one is responding for the patient or a patient's condition, if the condition is too critical, then the Raspberry Pi itself will enable the defibrillator and give a shock to the patient. By then it saves the life of the patient. So another enhancement is, here we have the component size is very large, so if we reduce this size and if we make it as waterproof, the patient can wear it all the time. And another additional thing is, if we interface a electronic door lock to this device, in case of emergency, door can be unlocked automatically. The limitations are like, at currently our device cannot differentiate between the removal of the band and the sensor failure. Next problem is with respect to our project is the network issue. Like there may be any delay caused for the call which affect the patient, and basically we are calculating the pulse rate and then converting it to heartbeat, so it's an inaccurate method of calculating heartbeat. So logic used is very simple, so result which we get may not be perfectly synchronized or perfectly same as the sophisticated instrument, but basically for identification of abnormality, this device is enough, so it can be implemented. And this can be used by any hospital people or any person who are taking care of some old age people in home or someone like that, and then it will be too helpful for them. Thank you.